Guys, I just wanted to come and say thank you. You make my life so amazing. You give me such reason to, I don't know, get up, want to do. I look forward to YouTube. I look forward to something every day, something new and exciting. I look forward to seeing what you're doing, seeing what you put up, seeing everybody's life and what they're up to, and I look forward to sharing with you. I look forward to being part of your streams and getting to have a stream and have you be part of mine. I just look forward so much because of you, because of what you bring to my life, all of you, and I just want to thank you. I want to thank you for being there every day. I want to thank you for making my channel what it is, for giving me the numbers I have, for just being part of my life. I want to thank you so much because you enlighten it and you give me such reason to go on, and you don't know what you do for me. As much as you think I give you, you give me twice as much back. You really do, and it's killing me to know that over the next month I'm going to be very limited as to my time I can give YouTube. And my dear friends, starting tomorrow, my time is going to be so limited being on here and spending time with you guys, and I needed to come on and reiterate that because I've only been saying it in my lives, and I need it to be said in a video so that people see it. But my time is going to be so limited because we're packing to go to Texas, and things have to get serious now. As of today, we've got exactly 30 days, and we're leaving the 15th of May. I will be taking you guys with me. I have a laptop I can stream from every night, let you know what's been happening. I have a way to take videos on the road, so I will be posting things as we go. But it pains me to think I'm not going to get to spend as much time paying attention to you and having the time with you that I am used to having. You know, most of my time is fairly free. I do the mundane things in between, but I get to have time with you, and that's going to be cut drastically, and that just pains me so much because you bring so much to my life, and yeah, so there's that. And I could get teary at the thought because I'm going to miss you, and although I'm not leaving, it feels a little like I'm losing out a lot. And so anyway, please know that every evening and every spare moment I have, and every lunch and every break, I will be here checking you out and seeing how you're doing, and trying my best to catch as many lives as possible, and to let you know I'm still around. And I love you all so much, and remember, you're divine and sacred beings of light and love. Please remember that, and know that, because you are divine and you are sacred, and you are all beings of light and love. You were born that way, and nothing can take that away from you. Nothing. And I love each and every one of you with the amount of love that cannot be explained, to the core of my being. Please know that, and take care of you. I will see you in a few minutes. I am going to go live. This is my last day to really do it during the day, so I will be there. And take care of you, and know that you're loved, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.